What's up, guys? It's Nico, and in this video, I'm going to be answering the question that you're probably wondering if you clicked on this video. Can I make a full-time income and can I make a full-time living from trading prop firms only? That's what we have sought out to answer in this video, and I'm going to tell you the answer. Well, the answer may shock you. All right. Now, if you're new here, my name is Nico Moreno, and I help people get funded with either trading bots or learning how to manually trade. All right. So if you're interested in either of those things, you can actually click the link down below this video and you can apply to become a user of my trading bot, which is right here. This is what the application looks like. You can fill this out if you're interested in a more passive sort of trading style, or if you're interested in learning how to do it yourself, do it manually. You can also apply for one-to-one mentorship with myself. I'm a profitable trader and I trade on prop firms specifically. So if either of those are interesting to you, you can click the links down below. You can get started, you can put in your application, and if it's a good fit, I will reach back out to you. Now, let's just get started with the video. And for some reason, Claude was blocking my camera, so I have to have it open in another tab. Doesn't make any sense, but it is what it is. So yeah, let's just get to the video. What everybody's wondering: can I make a full-time income from stacking futures prop firms? So basically, what I did was I opened up Claude, which is an AI that I think is way better than ChatGPT, because it just it makes these cool tables for you without you having to even ask. Like, look at this. This is cool. You can slide this around, and it'll like change the numbers in real time. So let's play around with this. The reason why is I've seen this video kind of like populating or popular, floating around, or I've seen this topic and this question floating around on social media. And of course, you know, when I was getting started with prop firms, I wanted to know this too. Like, is this actually worth my time? Am I only going to make like part-time money? Can I make full-time money from prop firms? And the reality is, if you know what you're doing and you're careful and you have a good strategy and you have good risk management practices, yes, you can absolutely make full-time money. And in fact, you can make way more than full-time money if you know what you're doing. In fact, I know a lot of people who are making six figures a month. So there's a full-time income every single month with prop firm trading. So let's just dive into the nitty-gritty. And by the way, you may want to adjust these. I wish I could like share this exact form, but honestly, I don't even need to because you can make your own. It's super easy. Literally, this is the sentence I typed into Claude. I went into Claude.ai, which is free, and I literally pasted one sentence in there. I said, help me calculate my estimated earnings with future prop firms if I stack accounts. That was it. So like, I don't need to actually give this to you, which I don't think I'm even capable of doing. All I can do is copy it and download the file. So you can create your own and you can adjust it and figure it out for yourself. But let's just kind of like walk through it. So what it gave me is like some things to play around with so that we can figure it out. Okay. So a firm payout split, 80% is common. So let's just kind of like stick with that. But you can see, you know, this is the amount of profit that you're going to actually get from your payouts from the prop firm, right? Because most prop firms keep a percentage of your payouts. So let's just stick with 80% for the calculation here because that is most common. Most of them are 80%. Now let's look at number of accounts stacked. So if we actually zoom in right here, we'll see the slider can go all the way down to like 1, or it can go all the way up to 20. All right, so that's the reality. And the cool thing is you can actually get way more than 20. Like if you use Apex, you know that you can get 20 just with Apex. And then there's a whole bunch of other firms. So you can really stack like, I mean, if you wanted to stack 50 or so, like that's totally, it is possible and it's realistic. Is it easy and is it going to happen instantly? Probably not. It takes a little while to scale the number of accounts that you have. So let's go ahead, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do like 5 because that's kind of like where I'm almost at 5. So I'm just kind of like wondering, okay, what, you know, let's play around with the numbers like specifically for me. And if you're someone who is, you know, already got like 15 or something, then that's great. You know, you can put the slider up there. But let's just take like, okay, let's say I've passed 5 accounts and I'm copy trading all of them. All right, so next thing is ask you the account size, which obviously is going to really affect how much money you can make from them. So I usually do 50K just because I just think they're way easier to pass. Like the drawdown limits are way easier. The profit targets are way easier. You're way more likely to get payouts from them. And they're also the cheapest. So why not just get the 50K accounts? Doesn't really make any sense to try and go for bigger ones, I don't think. Average profit per contract per day. Now, this is kind of a weird one. This makes it a little bit hard to estimate. So I would probably kind of play around with the questions, maybe tell Claude, like, can you make this, or can you just ask me, like, what is my average profit per day? Average profit per contract per day. I mean, that's just, it's kind of vague. Because for me, at least, the way that I trade and the way that I think is kind of smarter to trade is like I use a fixed dollar risk per trade. And so depending on the size of my stop loss, like the actual amount of contracts that I'm trading with will vary based on the position, because my stop loss is not always going to be the exact same, number of ticks. And so, I don't know. They're just, for me, like there is no average profit per contract per day. But so I'm just going to kind of estimate. I'm going to say average profit per day instead. Let's say I have a good trading day. So let's say 600, because usually I risk around 300, and I go for like 1 to 2, sometimes more than 1 to 2, a little bit more than 1 to 2. But this is supposed to be an average, and then there's also like losing days here, so we can approximate that. Trading days per month. So the reality is, like, when you're trading, every trader has different average trading days per month. I tend to trade like, I watch the charts, and I'm usually available to trade 5 days a week. What I find is I usually end up trading 3 or 4 days a week. So 1 to 2 days per week, I just don't see anything I like. I don't like the price action. I don't ever see any trade opportunities that I want to be involved in. So we'll say, since the maximum is 22, we'll say on average, maybe 18. I'll say maybe more like 16, honestly. Days that I actually trade, because that would be 4 days. 4 times 4 is 16. So that'd be like, let's say roughly 4 days per week on average. So let's go with that. Win rate, percentage of profitable days. So on my profitable days, my win rate it's like usually in the 50s roughly. It varies by week, but let's say like 58 or so, because I have a 1 to 2 risk to reward. It still comes out profitable. And then average loss on losing days. So sometimes I will hit full stop loss. Obviously, that happens. I would say sometimes I don't hit full stop loss either. Like I trail my stop. So as soon as I'm into like a decent amount of profit, I'll move my stop loss to about half. And then sometimes I'll move it to break even. So again, this is a little bit hard to approximate. If you have your stats, like I honestly should have just pulled up like my dashboard or something. If you have your stats in front of you, then you can honestly just plug in your stats. But I would say, so for me, a full stop loss on a trade would be $300. So I'll say, average, it would be a little bit less than that. Let's say like maybe 220 or something like that, because sometimes I'll have like a half stop out, or, I will have moved my stop loss up about half. So that would put it at 150. So I don't know. We're just going to approximate and say about 220. All right. And so you can see right here, gross monthly P&L, 19,300. And then your monthly payout. So I think this is going to be after the profit split from the prop firm, 15K, just on 5 small 50K accounts. That's pretty darn good, right? Like what if and then the cool thing is you can just change one of these, change like one of the things on this little slider tool that we have, and you can see how that affects you. So annual payout, $185,000. I mean, I think everyone can say that's full-time money. That's actually a great living that you can make just copy trading 5 50K accounts with a good strategy, right, and good risk management. So let's say right here, what I want to do is I want to see what happens if we actually increase this to just like 8 accounts, right, instead of 5. So instead, you can make about 24K a month, and your annual payout is going to be about $300,000 per month, just with 8 little small 50K accounts. Like, that's pretty freaking good, right? And then let's say if we put this back down to, let's say if we go the larger account route. So let's say instead we're using 3 accounts, but we go for, honestly, I don't know of any futures firms that have 250K. Usually they're like 50K, 150 or 100, and then 150. So let's say if we go like with a 100K account and we only have 3 accounts. Still, look, we're getting $333,000 per year. I mean, just from trading. I mean, I think that's pretty freaking amazing, right? So again, this gives you some more info, but hopefully this video was illuminating. And I think this is, if you clicked on this video, likely this is the answer you want to hear. Like you wanted to find out, okay, like I'm trying to, get funded with futures prop firms, become a full-time trader. And I really want to know, can I make a full-time living or a really, really good, even better than, most full-time livings doing this? And the answer is yes, you absolutely can. So if you are someone who is serious about becoming a funded trader, of course, not everyone is going to hit this. And the reality is it comes from like mental fortitude. Like you have to have good rules in place and you have to be consistently following those good rules, right? Also using proper risk management to avoid blowing any of the accounts. Not that you're never going to blow an account. And if you do, it's okay. I've blown accounts. There's nothing wrong with it. You can still be a profitable trader and lose prop firm accounts. But I think that this is just really, really amazing. And this shows the potential of what a high value skill day trading really is. So again, if you're interested in becoming a fully funded day trader, again, you can either become a member of my forex trading bot, which is a basically fully automated solution. So this is for people who do not want to manually trade. They don't want to learn how to do it at all. This is fully automated. Then you can click the link to apply to use the forex trading bot. We also have a gold trading bot too. Or if you're someone who wants to actually learn how to read price and how to take entries and how to become a trader, be a fully independent, self-sufficient day trader, then I can help you do that too. You can click the link down below, put in your application, and if I feel like it's a good fit and I can help you, I'll reach out and I'll tell you the next steps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.